I used to think leaving was the answer. New road, new place, new beginning. But somehow, I kept meeting myself there. I've changed my number, changed my town, changed the road that took me home. I've watched the sunrise from 1,000 windows, still felt lonely when I woke. I told myself this time will be different. I believed it every time. New keys in my pocket, new name on the doorway, new story in my mind. And for a little while, I could breathe again. Everything felt open, everything felt new. Then somewhere in the silence, I heard that old voice saying, you brought yourself with you. And maybe it wasn't the weather, maybe it wasn't the road, maybe it wasn't the people or the places I called home. Maybe I was looking everywhere for something I already knew. Maybe the thing I was running from was the thing I needed to walk through. Everywhere I go, I carry me. Every road I take, I'm learning to see. I thought I had to leave to finally be free, but the place I was searching for was waiting inside of me. I don't have to run anymore, I don't have to disappear. I can put my bags down, I can open the door. I'm staying here. I'm staying here. I used to blame the city, I used to blame the job, blame the people that I love, blame the things that I lost. I thought another ocean would wash the old away, thought a different horizon would give me a different name. But you can cross an ocean with the same heart in your chest. You can sleep in a different room and still carry all the rest. And somewhere between the leaving and arriving, I finally understood I wasn't looking for another place, I was looking for another me. And maybe I don't need another beginning, maybe I need to let this one begin. Maybe peace isn't somewhere down the road ahead, maybe peace is learning to be here instead. Everywhere I go, I carry me. Every road I take, I'm learning to see. I thought I had to leave to finally be free, but the place I was searching for was waiting inside of me. I don't have to run anymore, I don't have to disappear. I can put my bags down, I can open the door. I'm staying here. I'm staying here. I am not the city, I am not the road, I am not every mistake that I carried like a load. I am not the last place, I'm not yesterday. I am the one who kept going, I am the one who stayed. And maybe I don't need to know where this goes, maybe I can sit here and let the moment unfold. No suitcase by the doorway, no running from the night. For once I don't need somewhere else to make this life feel right. Everywhere I go, I carry me. Now I finally know what I need to see. I don't have to leave to become someone new, I can stay right here and learn to live with the truth. I don't have to run anymore, I don't have to disappear. I can put my bags down, I can finally be here. I'm staying here. I'm staying here. No more running, no more searching. Maybe home was never somewhere I had to find. Maybe home was learning to stay with myself.